we want to talk about the MoViz. And the MoViz is found within the built-ins in the container plugins within the texture folder. And what the MoViz allows us to do is basically play a video clip. It's one way to play a video clip. How this works is that we need to put it onto a geometry. So we're going to drag a rectangle into our scene tree. We'll go into our container plugins and drag this MoViz onto our rectangle. We're going to click on the MoViz to go into the MoViz properties editor. Up here, our first option here is a clip URL. What we need to do is navigate to a folder where you have a clip. Now the MoViz will be very dependent upon the certain codec that you use for the clip. So we're going to use an AVI for this, and we'll just navigate to an AVI clip within our folder. And once we set it, you don't notice anything at all. So what we're going to do is set it to autoplay, loop clip on, and then we're going to come down to the bottom here and hit play, and now our clip plays. So let's come over to the transformation axis editor. We're going to scale this up. We have an AVI clip here playing on a rectangle. If we wanted to rotate this a bit, you could. You see how it's mapped onto a rectangle. We come back into the MoViz properties editor. There are more than a few functions here. We have a clip URL, a right eye. So if you want to put another clip in here for a 3D stereoscopic scene, you can. We have the autoplay on. That's going to play it when you load the scene. We also have a loop clip on. That's going to play the clip when it ends. So it's going to start again. There's also sync to video counter. That's off by default. You can sync it to a video counter. There's a clip duration that was loaded automatically when we loaded that clip up. There's also a clip position, so we can adjust this clip position if we kind of just want to offset the time a little bit there as well. There's a video device format. It's set to RGB 24. Now we can also switch this to none. It changes all the settings or turns them off once we change it to none. If you go up to RGB 24 or our other setting of 832, you have your own settings within that as well. So this is one way to use video within Vizrt T. Not highly recommended if you have a huge video file, because it could cause some performance issues, but smaller clips, you might be able to get away with it.